ito yung amount ng energy para ihiwalay ulit itong H2 tsaka yung O2, yung hydrogen tsaka oxygen, para hiwalayin silang dalawa. That would be then the reverse reaction. Yan na yung endothermic reaction. Okay, that was just a recap, no? So, yung ginawa kanina, yung explain kanina is ito yung amount ng energy which was used enable to reach, no, to reach the activation energy. Energy need to reach the activation energy, EA. So how much energy did we use? Okay, gaano ka daming energy ang kailangan. So ibig sabihin yun, so we heaten up, then we measure, sabihin natin temperature. Only an example lang to, yeah, could be more specific, no? So temperature niya, what temperature, yeah, yung energy niya, yung energy na amount na pinasok na dito, tapos yung temperature niya, para ma-reach lang yung activation energy niya, enable to bond with oxygen, no, para mag-create ng H2O, no? So bonding oxygen, also at the same time creating H2O. So ito yung the amount of energy needed, yeah. So ito yun, amount of energy needed, yeah, enable to reach the activation energy para magkaroon ng combustion to create water, no? So dito naman sa baba is energy which it gives out during bonding with oxygen. So we have, ito lang yung kailangan natin para ma-activate yung energy niya, no? Mas maliit kaysa binibigay niyang energy sa environment niya, no? So it gives more energy out than you have needed to activate the activation energy. Yeah? And this, yung binigay niyang energy sa labas, which is an exothermic reaction na binibigay niya na mainit, yeah, sa environment niya, that is the total of energy which is needed for its decomposed, how to decompose it again, no? So pag gusto natin ibalik siya ulit dito, then we need to have an energy also enable for it to decompose into, sabi natin, H2 and O2. Yeah, so paano natin susulatin to sa reaction equation, no? So ang dito is H2 plus O2 equals H2O. Tapos dito is 1. So 2H2 plus O2 equals 2H2O. So yan yung balance niya. Then, paano natin gagawin yung reverse niya, no? Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. So how can we verify this, no? Na talagang mas attracted siya sa masa. Sa masa yung people wants, or yung 70% really wants this to na binibili talaga, no? Aktibo siya. Yeah, na bibilihin talaga siya. Everybody's interested, everybody wants to buy yung H2, then very active yan, no? Very active, talagang makikita mo ang daming attracted na yung 70% yan. So dito natin makikita yon sa spectrum, yung spectrum niya. So we have here a low frequency, low and high, no? Tapos dito na makita natin itong H2 nandito around 440, sabi natin, no? 440, ito yung 450, So, nandito. Yeah? So, we have it around here. So, around here. Straight line. So, nakita natin ito, blue. Blue yung nandun, no? Lipisan natin. So, blue. Bluish yung kulay niya. Higher frequency. So, blue rin yung naging kulay dito. Yung spectrum niya. When it bonds to oxygen, no? And this, yung ano niya, yung nakikita natin is a reflection of light. No? Has something to do sa ano na yun, sa quantum and yung photonon. So, we go again here. Gagawa tayo ng ano ng endothermic reaction. So, we like to separate water again into O2 and H2. So, kunin natin to. Kopyahin natin to. We just make the reverse reaction. So, kunin natin to. Then, reverse the reaction. No? Then, lapit lang natin dito. No? So, sinabi natin, this is the energy which is needed to decompose again. So, burahin natin to. Nandito lahat. Sorry talaga. Okay? So we don't need this. And we don't need this. Sa loob yan. So, just mag-start tayo dito sa baba. Starting lang natin dito. So, now, this is the energy which it needs to decompose, no? Ito na yan. Pagdating dito sa taas, we have a delta H plus. Bakit delta H plus? Kasi we created again the potential. Binigyan natin siya ulit ng energy, enable to have the potential again, enable to bond with oxygen, no? Sabi natin dito lang sa ano na to, sa XY endothermic. So, paano natin susulatin yon? So, H2O H2 plus O2. So, dito, H2O, output niya is H2 plus O2. No? So, yung delta H plus, andyan sa taas. Then, dito naman is ito, no? So, H2 plus O2. And dito naman is H2O. Yan na yan. Yeah, so H2 plus O2, activation energy, delta H minus, wala na siya, hindi na siya mag-react sa oxygen kasi nakadikit na yung oxygen sa kanya. So, dito yung H2 as a product, no? So, ito yung reagent niya. Ito yung product. Yeah, so, the next topic is electrolysis. How to separate water into applying certain energy, enable for it to decompose, no? So, H2 and into O2 rin. So, oxygen and hydrogen gas. So, dito na yan. Next topic.